How to install multi-ionizer to a toilet water supply valve and hose. The size of water supply valve must be 1/2 inch. Turn off the water supply valve by turning it clockwise and flush the toilet. Place a towel on the floor underneath the water supply valve in case water leaks during installation. Use pliers to loosen the hose connector and disconnect it. Using your hands only, screw in the multi-ionizer to the water supply valve. Next, screw in the hose connector to the multi-ionizer. Do not use any tools on the multi-ionizer in order to avoid possible damage. Finally, turn on the water supply by turning the valve counterclockwise. If water leaks, insert a rubber washer into the hose connector. To keep the toilet clean, scrub it with a toilet brush once a week.